When I'm home, I use my electric toothbrush to brush my teeth. When I travel, I use a manual toothbrush when I travel. A manual toothbrush, you only use your hand. So you just use your hand. It does not use batteries or electricity. When I'm ready to brush my teeth, I get my toothbrush and my toothpaste, and I put a little bit of toothpaste on the brush, and then I go over to the sink and I turn on the faucet. I turn it, this side is the cold water, this side is the hot water. I turn on the cold water faucet and I put a little bit of water on my toothpaste. And then I brush my teeth. When I am done brushing my teeth, I spit the toothpaste into the sink, and then I rinse with water. I also brush my tongue so I don't get bad breath.